Welcome back once again. In previous video we created this form in simple HTML. So now in this video we will insert the data if someone has entered their details, so we can insert that information into this customers table. So very simply we'll start our PHP work. We have the functions folder over here, the functions included, but we need to also go to our the folder e-commerce, and inside the includes folder we don't have the database, so we can simply copy that from admin area. Here I will copy it and will paste it inside the main includes folder, so we can include this into this page. Simply we'll write include and then includes db.php. That's it. Database file has been included. Now we can just anywhere we can write our HTML, sorry, our PHP script, but after the HTML will be good, I think will be better. So very simply we will start PHP block, and after that we'll say if set command, and $_post is the method, and register is the button of the submit, and inside the two curly brackets of this if statement we'll say that this whole code should be executed. It's very simple. We need to create some variables. For example, the first thing is to create a variable IP in which we will get the IP function, and we'll save in the local variable. After that we'll simply say C_name. This is a local variable in which we will save the data that is coming in the form using the post method, and the input field name is C_name. That's it. We are talking about this input field. This will bring a value. Basically someone will enter a value into this input field, and we will get that using this name. We'll save that here in a local variable called C_name, and similarly like that we have to create all the other local variables for other input fields. The second one is basically the email. We change this also to email. Third one is basically password. Here we will also say password. Fourth one is basically I think image. Yes, image. That is image. CImage. Local variable will also be CImage, and this is basically files, not the post, because the image we get using the file array. And with that we will also create another thing like image_tmp is equal to $_files, and the same C_image, and in another parameter we will say tmp name. This is the syntax basically to get the image data. And here we have also to add on one extra two square brackets, and inside that we will write we need the image name here, and in the second one we need the temporary name. So after that we have C country, and their name is also C country, and after that Let me check. Customer country, and then customer city, and then contact, and then address. Customer city, change this to customer city. Then is there the customer contact, and this is also customer contact, and the last one is basically customer address. We'll change this to customer address. That's it. Now we need to insert this data into, we can also validate the form with HTML5. Very simply, just write here required yes, required. I think the spelling is okay or not. Just I will Control S to save. We'll refresh to check whether that is okay or not. Yes, that is okay. Please fill out this field. So we can simply copy and paste that to all. I mean this required HTML5 attribute to email field, as well as to this, also to this, and also leave the country and paste it here, paste it here, and paste it here as well. So this is very simple HTML5 validation. Now we have created local variables. Now we need to actually insert this data to the database. First of all, we will upload this image to a folder. We will create a folder inside the customer folder. Here you can see in the main e-commerce folder, or double click it, create a new folder, and we'll say customer underscore images. That's it. We'll use move uploaded file function to actually move the file, I mean upload the file, the picture, and the temporary name of this is this one. After the comma, then we'll close this parenthesis, and here we will write the folder name. For example, that is customer is the main folder, and after that there is another folder, customer underscore images, and then one more backslash, and this is the image that is going there, see image. So the temporary name for the system is this one, and after that this is the folder, main folder. After that, inside customer folder, there is another folder called customer underscore images and this image will go there. That's it. Now we need to insert the text data into the database. So very simply, we will create a local variable insert underscore c is equal to, here we will write the query inside double quotes. We'll say insert into customers, and in the first two parentheses we have to give we have to specify or define the names of the columns inside the table, and after that we will write values, and inside the two another parenthesis we will put these all variables which are bringing the information, so they will be saved over here. Now we need to go back here. So the first thing is the customer ID, which is auto incremented, so we don't need to do anything with that. Simply customer IP is the second one, so we can put something there, customer IP, then comma, then there is customer underscore name, then comma, then there is customer underscore email, then there is customer underscore pass, then customer country, customer underscore country, and then customer underscore city, then customer underscore, you have to exactly give this name with order, customer address, and finally customer underscore image. That's it. We have specified the columns name. Now one by one, the variable which are bringing the data, that data will be inserted into these fields one by one. So inside we need to insert two single commas, and after that normal comma, then single commas, like this. So inside the single commas we can add that variable. The first variable is basically IP. Oh my god. The first variable is basically IP, which will insert the IP into this first one, I mean customer underscore IP. And after that, the second one is C underscore name. Then another one is C underscore email. Then C underscore pass. And there is C underscore after the pass there is country, C underscore country, and then C underscore city, and then C contact, and then C address. C contact and C address, and in last one we will put the image, C underscore image, because inside the table you can see the customer underscore image is at last position. So therefore this is, we have given here, we have specified in the query as well that this is the last one. So we have inserted this image name, basically the text is basically the name of the image, so we have put that there. Very simple. Now we can just simply check this query out by echoing it. Use simple echo statement to check this query, or we can directly upload it. We don't need this because the picture will be uploaded already. Or okay, we can check it, we'll check it. Okay, echo. So we will just put some data, for example Wali, email abc@yahoo.gmail.com, password Wali, and image Baude. Okay, so this is the image, any country, city, contact, and address. Create an account. So there is nothing. Oh, this is the query. We can see over here the query is working absolutely fine. Here is the result, the end of the page. So we can remove it, and we can also check out the folder, customer images folder. There is an image that we uploaded, but we will delete it now because we don't need that at the moment. So now very simply come here and say run underscore C is equal to MySQL underscore query, and inside that we have to add two parameters, connection and the reference variable, which is insert underscore C. So query will go now, the data will be inserted, and we say if run C, will simply say echo okay, script close. Inside that we will use a JavaScript alert registration successful, Control S to save. Now we can check it out. If someone click this, there will be HTML5 validation. They will say all they have to fill. So I will just write something like Abdul Wali, and email will be wpareshan@gmail.com, password will be simply Wali, and I will add an image as well. This is the image, and we'll choose a country, Japan. We'll choose a city, contact number, and an address. We'll just say create an account. So can check out inside this. Data did not come. This was not inserted basically. There is, I think, some maybe a little error inside this query that we have written. We can check it. Customer underscore IP, customer underscore name, customer underscore email, customer underscore password, customer underscore country, customer underscore city, customer address, customer image. We have forgot customer contact here. That is a problem. Yes, of course. We have forgot customer contact after the city, so we need to add that as well. After the customer city, we need to add customer underscore contact. So we have added that. That is fine. Now customer, the last customer image, then values, IP, C name, C email, C password, C country, C city, C contact, C address, and C image. So everything is fine now. Let me check it again. Control S to save, and JavaScript tag is okay. There is no problem. Yes. Just go once again. Name is Abdul Wali, email is this, password is this, and an image. Country, city, and some kind of number and an address. Okay, I will click now create account. So it is saying registered successfully. Okay, that was a problem there. Now we can check our database, our table. We click browse, so we can see here customer ID is 1, customer IP is 1, IP is also coming. Okay, and other details. The image name is here. Also the image has come to this folder, customer underscore images. So that's fine. Now in next video we will add some more functionality to this registration form. We will register the session of the customer, and also we'll check if they have an item added into the cart, so we can send them to a different page, and if they don't have an item in the cart, so we can send them directly to their account, I mean my account. So in next video we will be doing that. But before that, I can simply tell you that we created a simple user registration form, and you are familiar with that now till this tutorial. And we just got the inputs and have saved in this local variables, and after that we wrote the simple query, and that's done till here. In next video I am coming back and I'm telling you what we need more with this whole script. Stay tuned.